Say hello to maintenance-free living in the serene Buck Lake Villas. This stunning 1,999 square foot villa offers a seamless blend of comfort and elegance designed to meet all your needs. The spacious open floor plan creates a perfect flow between the living room, dining area, and kitchen, setting the stage for entertaining or relaxing with family. The master bedroom is conveniently located on the main floor, featuring a large walk-in closet and a beautiful master bathroom for your ultimate comfort. The kitchen boasts all stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar, pantry, and spacious countertops, making meal preparation a delight. The second floor offers two generously sized bedrooms, each with a walk-in closet. The shared bathroom features a double vanity and separate shower. The property is within walking distance to Buck Lake. Don't miss this opportunity to own a beautiful villa in Buck Lake Villas. Call Samantha Mason before the curtain closes on this wonderful home.